Morning traders. Right, let's continue. So as you can see here, we're now stuck on, I don't know why I do that. We're now stuck on the 200 moving, the 50 moving average over there, which is the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart. So this is a 4 hour chart. So let's mark it. There is the 50 moving average. Can we make it thicker for you guys? Styles, yeah, thicker. There we go. Can't make it thicker. All right, cool. So let's go to a different time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, and you can see here. Look at that. There is the 50. There is the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart. This is a key reversal point on the chart. Okay, we don't know what's going to happen here. There are dojis there on the 1 hour chart, which is significant in an uptrend. It signifies a reversal. So we've got the doji and we've got a hammer. Okay, but the challenge with a hammer is that it's red, so that is negative. All right, so we need to take that into consideration. I would want this to be a green hammer, and then I could say, that's interesting. Possibly, if we make it green, right, if we make this green over there, okay, possibly I could say to you, yes, the price was going to go north. To mitigate this, it's not really a, it's almost like a dragonfly doji in actual fact, okay, more than a hammer. So to mitigate this, we need to see the price go above the high of this doji. Then that doji and the hammer or dragonfly doji has been mitigated. So it's a little bit concerning where we are. I said to you that the price could drop and we could go to levels of 44,449 or even lower to, let's see, 4,400 maybe even. We don't know. We're just waiting. So it looks like that demand zone, that supply zone has been mitigated. I'm talking about this supply zone over here. So it's broken, which is great, and we've broken that level. We're sitting above the yellow line, which is the 32 moving average, and possibly now the price is going to go up here. We have to wait for the DXY and see what's happening on the DXY. And we're still stagnant, and there are dojis, okay, which is also reversal signals for the dollar, which means that the dollar is going to lose strength and could drop, which means that gold's going to go up, or they are accumulating positions and the dollar's going to pump, and then the price is going to go to the 200 moving average over here. We don't know. We have to wait and see what the institutions are doing. So it's not really a time to be risk on, because I think the dollar's in play, which nobody's talking about. So just take that into consideration.